Hi, I'm James from BlindsbyPost, and today I'm going to show you how to install our StickFit blinds. Now I think these are possibly the easiest blinds ever to install. Our StickFit blinds require literally no tools to install them, so let's get going. With your order you should receive your adhesive side strips and the internal part of your blind. If your brackets are not already slotted into the side strips, you'll just need to insert these into the strips at each end. It is the bobble part that faces upwards that fits into the adapter of the side strip. Next, remove the backing paper from your first adhesive side strip and place into position, making sure the brackets are on the left for the left strip and right for the right strip. Repeat for your second adhesive side strip. Now, attach the blind to the brackets by slotting the exposed part of the bracket into the back of the blind. Once in line, gently push together to secure the blind in place. Ensure the raised circle on each exposed bracket locates into the hole on the plastic end cap. If needed, the cord tension can be adjusted using the small spring inside the bottom rail. And there you have it, your StickFit blinds installed in minutes and looking great.